All right, welcome to the introduction for week April 14th through April 17th. Watch the entire video so you can understand what you are expected to do for your assignments. Remember that all assignments are grades, so make sure you get everything completed. This week's objectives is to generate equivalent form of fractions, decimals, and percents using real-world problems. Also, you're going to order sets of rational numbers, also using real-world problems. You're going to write about ordering rational numbers, and you're going to complete some interactive things in regards to rational numbers. Your assignments for this week is the Math Vocabulary Kahoot Challenge, Week 4 Builder 12, and Ordering Rational Numbers Flipped Classroom Review. The first thing you're going to do is Ordering Rational Numbers Flipped Classroom Review. You're going to watch the video and copy down the notes from the flipped classroom in your IMB. Make sure you take a picture of your notes and mark them as done. Your next assignment is going to be Week 4 Builder 12. You're going to complete the Week 4 Builder 12 on a separate sheet of paper. I've also given you a study guide and a power triangle to help you with anything. Click on Week 4 Builder 12, it looks like this. You want to make sure you copy this down on a separate sheet of paper or print it out. It's up to you. When you get to the multiple representation section, just go ahead and fill out the process table. Don't worry about plotting the points or this section right here. Again, just fill out the process table only. Make sure you create each section by writing down the name of the section and showing me the work that goes with that section. So you are again focused on builder number 12. Is to complete the Kahoot Challenge, Math Vocabulary Challenge. And you want to make sure that you do that. I've also uploaded a link to Math Vocabulary Dictionary to help you. You're going to have 4 minutes to complete each question. There are 12 questions. You can look in your notebook or look at this Math Dictionary in order to help you. Make sure when you join this Kahoot Challenge that you enter your correct name. I know it asks you to enter a nickname, but please enter your first and last name because that's the only way I'm going to know it's you. So remember to enter your first and last name. Okay? And then you'll be able to create the Kahoot Challenge. And remember, you're going to have 4 minutes to complete each question. So please have your notebook next to you, along with being able to go back and forth to the other thing to do it. So you want to make sure that you read the question and decide what it is. All right, remember that we will have our via Google Hangouts, our office hours. However, this week we will not have it on Monday because of the Easter holiday. Your assignment may look different than your other friend's assignment, so keep in mind we'll be talking about 2 different assignments on their Google Hangouts. First, second, third, and third are 1 to 1:30 on Wednesday. Fourth, sixth, and seventh are 1:35 to 2:05. Also, Friday online tutorials, if you need one-on-one tutorials, will be Friday, April 17th. There is a link on Google Classroom for you to sign up. So just to recap on what you're expected to do. You want to watch the introduction video for the week, which you're doing right now. Watch Ordering Rational Numbers Flipped Classroom and copy the notes. Complete 6th grade Builder 12 and complete the Math Vocabulary Kahoot Challenge. All assignments are due by 4 p.m. on Friday. Have a great day.